Hi guys, welcome to Programming Hub. In this video series, we are going to see the design patterns with examples. Right? So before we start, if you are new to this channel, please click on the below red button and subscribe our channel to support us. Right? In previous session, we see the factory pattern design. Right? Factory design pattern. So in this video, we'll see the abstract factory pattern. Right? So what is abstract factory pattern? Abstract factory pattern works around a super factory which creates other factories. This factory is also called as a factory of factories. This type of design pattern comes under a creational pattern as this pattern provides one of the best way to create an object. In abstract factory pattern, an interface is responsible for creating a factory of related objects without explicitly specifying their classes. Each generated factory can given the object as per the factory pattern. Right? So let's see with example, right? So here already we have a created one interface having the method abstract method of paint and three classes which implemented this color interface, right? Green, red, and blue, right? So here we I'm creating another three classes, right? Which is paint green, adding this color interface, finish, paint red, and third one is paint yellow. Right. So within this, we again copy and paste this system of rectangle line and know which class paint method is being played. Right. Okay. Save it. And now here we'll create one abstract factory class right here. One abstract class here. Create one abstract class called abstract factory class. Here we'll make it this class as abstract class. Click on finish. You can see here we have created one public abstract class, abstract factory class right here. So here create one method abstract user different type is color, indicate color of type string, right? Save this, and after that here we have to create two classes which implement this abstract factory class, right? So here we create an implementation classes for factory right here and calling here. our factory, right? And here we have added here classes, super classes, types, like factory class, right here. So click on finish. Here we have an get color class of here, right? So within this class we have to provide some if statements of this color dot equal ignore case. Right? Here we have to provide a return statement and here there, right? So again here we have to pass else if same color dot ignore case of type green having the return of new green. Copy, just paste it for L. Okay, right? So this is the plain red, green, and yellow classes, right? So now we have to provide for the plain green and plain red and plain yellow class, right? Yes. So for this we have to create another one factory class, right? Paint color factory, right? So here provide here abstract factory class for finish. So copy this whole method as it is and just provide here paint red, paint green, and paint yellow, right? And for this here we provide paint red, paint green, and paint yellow, right? Now here we are created two factory classes, right? So one is the color factory and second is the paint color factory. So both classes have the separate class as an abstract factory class. So here for this we have to write one a factory producer, right? So here we have to create another class produce fact. Click on finish. Within this class we have to write one method public static which return type is start factory class get factory of type boolean, right? So within this here I am providing the if that I will explain one by one and then while I go first I have to complete this, right? So if faint Okay, so save this, and for this here we create one another class, which is our client class. Secretary example, right? So here create one class, stripe factory example. And finish. So things here we create factory produce factory. Okay, produce factory dot get factory, which is a static method. Here we are providing its calls, right? Right. And here what it returns, it returns um, abstract factory class, right? So with this abstract factory class, get well, so here we provide the rate, right? So here within this trade remove this point name, so we can check which is best, right? So it is red. So using get color will return to us now type color. Okay, so like it's here. Color one. So here color one dot paint with, right? So we'll do it like same as it is. Color one, two, three, red, green, and yellow. So here abstract factory plus about one, four, five, six, eight. So here we provide um, true. So once we run this application, and then I'll explain you one by one. Right. So what is the output of this? Right. So this is the red class paint, green class paint, yellow class paint, paint red paint, and paint yellow. Right. So here I'll explain you one by one what's happening. abstract factory pattern. Okay, so this is our main magic class. So here, guys, you can see here the we create produce factory, right? And having one static method of abstract factory, right? So whenever we provide the friend is if it is a comes true value, then it will create a paint color factory object, and when it's create a false value, get false value, it will create the color factory object, right? So in here we'll send it here a false value, right? In color factory, so it false factory false paint values comes, then it will create one color factory object and return it to the this, right? So here we'll get a color factory object, right? So now color factory having the get color method, right? So abstract factory, here you have to see color factory object, right? So here we'll create the object of red, green, and yellow for us, right? And whenever you send the produce factory object to value of the true, it will create the object of the faint color factory, right? You can see here the faint color factory of the produce, right? Faint color factory. So now the faint color factory will create the object for the faint red, faint green, and faint yellow classes, right? So that's why the faint method has been printed like this. So now I hope you get the point of the abstract factor pattern, right? So thank you guys for watching this video.